This video highlights our 3 1/4 inch by 3 foot mini soil auger kit, featuring our hex quick pin connection. It's designed for manual augering to depths up to 12 feet or 3.66 meters, though achievable depth depends on soil conditions. Additional kits are available in different connection types, with carbon or stainless steel augers and extensions, 2 1/4 or 3 1/4 inch diameter augers, and 3 or 4 foot extensions. To get started, connect an extension to the auger of your choice. When connecting, align the holes on both the extension and auger so the snapper pin can freely pass through. Then, connect the rubber-coated cross handle to the extension. Make sure all snapper pins are securely in place. Begin augering by turning the cross handle clockwise until the auger cylinder is full. Then, remove the auger from the borehole, turn it upside down, and tap the cylinder to facilitate material removal. Repeat this process until you've reached your target depth. To reach deeper depths, disconnect the cross handle and add appropriate extensions. Reconnect the cross handle and continue augering, ensuring all snapper pins are securely in place. Depending on soil conditions, choose between the regular or mud auger. Regular augers are designed for loamy soils, while mud augers are designed for cohesive soils. If the included augers aren't suitable for your application, we manufacture a wide range of auger models designed to support varying soil conditions. When you're finished, simply disconnect appropriate components and pack everything back into the poly canvas equipment case. Head over to our website to view our wide selection of tools and equipment used for a variety of sampling, testing, and monitoring purposes. We're committed to delivering high-quality products backed by excellent customer service.